Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Benchmade Bugout here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife made by Benchmade. It's gonna be around $150. In this case, I just put on some titanium scales. Usually it comes like this, with regular G10 scales, it's nonetheless, it's gonna be a pretty cool knife, very EDCable, because the size overall is 7.46 inches, and when open, and when closed, it's going to be 4.22. So very nice in the pocket. The blade is a drop point style blade. It comes like with a just a satin finish. In this case, has been acid etched. The size is like 3.24 inches. Material is going to be S30V. So pretty good, pretty decent steel for the price. The sound this guy makes, it's like this, it's very classic Benchmade sound. You can have actually two kinds of sound. If you open like this or like this, with your with the thumb stud, or if you just use the axis lock like that, it's going to be a little bit more quiet. Nice. So when it closes, you can have this kind of sound like that, or you can just have this kind of sound. So, it can modulate a little bit based on the action you're going to choose to deploy the blade. The weight on this case, it's like 1.85 ounces when the G10 scales are mounted on, and overall the clip is it's a little bit short. It's like a mini dip carry reversible, not in this case, but with the G10 scales on kind of thing. So it's nice. The grip is very interesting because it's a smaller handle, I would say, but it's very nice in the hand. No hot spots. There's a little bit of jimping going on. Overall, it's pretty smooth and fast and very fun to play with and to fidget with. But if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.